At the boat ramp this morning, got a 10,000 pound elevator lift. We're getting unloaded from the trailer. Freddie brought it over to us. I'm going to get the pilings. They're 10-inch, 30-foot long pilings we'll be using on this elevator lift. Get them on the barge. It looks like we got a 25-foot, 8-inch aluminum channel that we'll be putting in also, actually I-beam. Got our first 10-inch 30-footer in the air, getting ready to vibrate that down, and then we'll be setting another one about 10 foot away from it to install the aluminum cradle lift. Got it going.
Oh man, you might want to do that on the second one.
Well, we got to film the first one, show how hard it was. Get the strap or hang where you can twist it. I don't even have to take that one off or something. What do you think? Go ahead, spin it around, see if you can't get that on, because I can lay it down once you get that top locked in. Come to you a little bit. Come to you. Need me to wiggle this? I think I need to come to him a little bit. There. How's that? That's it. That's how you do it with equipment. It's a manual labor. That's right. We save probably 30-40 minutes of time right there. Got a little bit of an angle difference on our I-beam that we installed yesterday, so we're going to try to pull it up just a little bit, get these cradles level. Got Guy on in the water this morning and had some pretty cool gloves on that I was watching the TV show Mountain Man, the guy trapping beavers. So his arms in the water without getting wet. That's pretty cool. To a certain extent. Yeah, up to the armpits, that's it. But we're going to relieve a little bit of pressure on the front side of that I-beam with a jet pipe and try to ease it up just a tad to get these two cradles leveled out. We thought we had it perfect yesterday, but I guess it just didn't get quite perfect. So we're going to work on that today. pretty good possibility Hunter's going to fall in the water. He does on a weekly basis. See if we can't catch him. What we're doing here is trying to run some strings and get these pilots screwed up. We're going to do a little boardwalk behind the elevator lift and a little step out in the middle of it so it's easy access for the boat whenever the boat's down in the water on the elevator lift. What?
I punched that aluminum.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Ow. I'm trying to pull it tight. How many guys does it take to run a string line? Obviously. Yeah. 4. I'm sitting here watching you.
Well, there's 3 of us. You're operating that.
Brought that box of Ritz cheese crackers down here. Those things are addictive.
I know, I went to Publix yesterday and I was like, man, I gotta find those.
They were good. I finished that whole box. I think 1 box is a serving.
Depends on who you ask.
That's right. It's a big guy serving.
Yeah. Me about 5 months ago.
Hey, look, guy. We good? Start tearing it up. You get on top there with that little bar I got welded on there. Yeah, I can't grip it. Hold on. right there? Let's leave a little bit up. We'll trim that off. Pretty good? Okay. You good, G? All right. Yes, sir. Go as high as you can and hang straighter. See if I can reach this area over here. We got a walkway pole we got to put in. Gotta get a little bit closer. Yep, believe I got it. Yeah, whatever the inside dimension is, let's go with that. Hey, we got this elevator lift installed in just 2 days. We got it set on the pilings, got the elevator I-beams put in, got everything lined up, got the motors connected. Also built a little deck in between, so it gives you a little bit easier access getting in and out of the boat. Hey y'all, really means a lot that y'all watch my video and check out what we do. I appreciate it. If there's anything y'all like to see or got any questions about, please feel free to leave me a message in the comments. If they get monotonous, let me know. I just think it's pretty interesting watching what's going on. A lot of people like seeing how these projects are put together. But if you got any comments, leave me a comment, give me a like, give me a share on Facebook if you got a Facebook page. I appreciate it. My page is definitely growing, so thanks a lot and we'll keep up the work.